Sun, Mr. Golden. It's cold and damp.
Yeah, that's good.
It feels awful.
What are you talking about?
It feels like nothing but pain. Because it's cold. It's cold.
Ben, from 1 to 10, how cold is the water?
Don't film my body.
7.
Don't film.
Your body looks good.
Don't film my body.
Don't be sad. I'm filming my body. Look. There you go.
No, stop.
How you doing, Ethan? Oh, that's nice.
That 50-year-old man is more muscular than I am. He's in better shape than I am.
Stop being so self-conscious, man. It's not a good look.
Yeah, neither is being a fatty. You know it's a bad look?
Oh, man.
These things.
That'd be sad.
These things. That I don't remember what they are.
So we're here
they're
at the
bracelets.
beach. Wait, which beach is this again?
Cape Henlopen.
Say it 3 times fast.
Cape Henlopen. Oh. Cape Henlopen, Cape Henlopen. Oh, shit. Hold on. I'm actually really good at these. Cape Henlopen, Cape Henlopen. Fuck. Cape Henlopen, Cape Henlopen, Cape Henlopen. Fuck yeah.
There you go.
That's what I'm talking about. Hooch. Say toy boat 5 times fast, you can't do it. Yeah. See, that's what I'm fucking saying. No matter what you try. Toy boat, you can't. Toy boat. It's hard. It's fucking hard. Go ahead, give it a try. For the viewers.
Toy boat.
Yeah, see? Yeah. How's that for a turtle?
What?
I saw a turtle. I don't know. Ah, there it goes. I'm not sure paddleball is really appropriate game to play at the beach, but alright. Nothing.
Nothing, don't hurt me, Daddy.
Nothing, mister.
Haha, guys, look, I wrote a bad word. Hold on, get me up in the comments.
It's not a picture, recording.
Yeah!
But I will take a picture if that's what you want.
What's that say? Ethan likes butt. Stuff. Oh.
Oh, Ethan likes butt stuff.
Ethan, I don't know why you write that about yourself in the sand.
Oh, you're walking all over it. Now I gotta redraw.
Well,
Ah,
I'm all
cold
over it.
water.
Oh, no. I'm walking all over it.
Walk over your grave!
He can't walk over his grave because he'll be in it.
Oh, that's true. Hey, guess what? Water. Yeah!
It's
Perfect!
Oh, wow. Ben, can you top that?
I'm riding Ethan likes butt stuff.
It sucks.
Yo, bro, where do you dance like that?
In your... I don't know. That wasn't dancing. If I were dancing, I would look like a pretty butterfly.
You already look like a pretty butterfly. Look at that shit. That is beautiful. Somebody put effort into that.
That's good. Makes me proud. Hey, it's a horseshoe crab. He's dead now. Come on, buddy. Sorry, you're dead. Don't take a picture of the wiener.
That's a sloppy picture.
That's pretty cool. No, it's bad.
That is gross.
I never did like the beach.
Yeah, I wasn't a fan of it.
Yeah.
What? You guys are...
You're a smallie. How far can you go?
Not that far. I'll probably fall into Xavier.
Sit right next to you, buddy.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Who's the victor?
Ben wins. Ben wins.
Ethan wins.
Ben Ben wins. See this? I caught my prize.
You, bruh. We're on the beach right now.
Check it out.
Just chilling.
Just gotta go like that.
Doing cartwheels.
Oh, I see. Nah, I'm good. I've had my fair share.
Fair share of pain doing what? Cartwheels? Get out of here. Sorry for that. Ben's hands smell like manure.
Oh shit. I can't do it.
Ethan's one of them dancer kids. This is funny shit. So I'm standing here watching these two idiots go in the fucking water that they claim to be. So, how's the water?
Pretty nice actually.
Yeah.
Come in.
Harry, how's the shells?
They're shelly. They're shelly as fuck.
Well, one thing. I'll put the fucking camera. One thing. I think this red water out of my feet's not good.
If it weren't as shelly, it would be fucking fine.
It's fine. You just gotta get past the shells and not be a little bitch about it. I'm sorry.
And yet here we are.
I'm cold.
That wasn't called for. Touch my body. Touch my body.
You think you're funny?
Yes. Now, whenever you watch this, you're gonna think back to the time when Ethan made fart noises while you were recording.
He's plowing a pan.
I know. Bad.
Oh, look, Ethan, that's you. I don't know, it's someone in
That's my brother.
There's someone in your house. Take a picture of it.
Justice.
Ugh.
Silver one punch buggy, no punchbacks.
Alright, now it's war. Just because you punched me a little bit.
You heard it here, ladies and gentlemen.
Excuse me.
I love that.
Excuse.
It's got the music for Bob track by Rage. Boop boop boop. Do you know? Oh.
Yo, Ben, show the ring. we got rings at the pizza shop. Who you gonna marry, Ben?
You.
And I'm out. Ethan, what'd you get at the pizza shop?
Pizza.
he got balls.
He got balls and found himself. You got your balls.
May Jesus be with you.
Come back, Lance.
Or whatever you believe in. Buddha or
Buddha.
Allah. Or...
Hey, Aladdin. Oh, yeah.
Oh god, I need to do my neck now.
Oh, God, my neck!
Alright, so we're heading back. It was a really fun day.
Damn right it was. I told you, you'd beat your eyes if you didn't. Shout out.
This isn't the night vlog, this is just the summary of the adventure.
It was close. I felt
I
the
know.
smack.
I really want to do this. Someone's like focusing super on it. I'm just like.
Alright, I'll end it. Say goodbye, Ben. Okay, say goodbye, Eva.
My ball! Oh, it's like
Your
crack
shit.
his screen.
Kill you.
Thank you.
Would it be funny? Alright, I'll go. Bye, guys.